So let's, before starting a second day, let's ask the doubts. So doubts are the first thing for first day, for day one, right? I'll just give you a brief. We did we did three major topics. The first one was multiplication tables of numbers ending with 5. Oh, sorry, and with 9. For example, 9, 19, 29, 109, and so on. Correct? So this was our first topic, which we did. Our second topic was writing multiplication tables of any numbers. Now, any 2/3/4 digit numbers, correct? Because any digit numbers you can get. And the third topic was fast multiplication with 11, right? And we did 2-digit multiplication with 11. Remember? Yes, Bhumi, any doubts?
No, sir.
So can I ask you any question then, Dhruv? Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
any questions, beta? Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay, so let me ask you one question and then we'll move further on this topic itself. Then I'll teach you the new topic today. So just to revise, 28 into 11. Yes, Bhumi?
Sir, 308.
Very good. But you have to be more fast. Okay. So if you would have done the homework, you would have been more fast. Now, yes, Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer, beta?
Sir, 308.
So who will tell? Switch on your video. Now we'll be starting today with the 3-digit numbers. So what will happen if number is 1, 2, 3 into 11? Right. So what will happen? Now let me tell you. First digit as it is. Then we'll make first pair. So 1 and 2 makes first pair. What is the answer?
Sir, 3.
3.
Very good. Then 2 and 3 makes the second pair. What is the answer?
5. 5.
5.
And this is the last number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's try 4, 2, 3. See, so how easy your calculations will become.
Sir, 4653.
4,
6. 5.
Sir, 4653.
4, 6, 5, 3. Very good, both of you. And with little more practice, you'll be more fast enough, right? 6, 3, 4 into 11.
Sir, 6974.
Now you are getting. Now see
Yes, sir.
why your speed is increasing. You know why? It is visual ability. See, otherwise what happened? Whatever number you used to get, you simply wrote the number, then wrote the second number and start multiplication. So you were not concentrating on the numbers. Now you are concentrating on the numbers. That is known as your visual ability is increasing, your reasoning skills are enhancing, and your logics are becoming strong. Because you visualize, you see the number, then you see how it can be done. That is reasoning skills, and then apply a proper logic to it. This is why our speed gets increased. I told you this reason. I explained you this reason last day, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the benefit of Vedic mathematics. Now see, everything you will be doing like this only. Now some carryovers. 7, 8, 7 into 11.
Sir, 8107.
8, 1, 0, 7. Let us check. 7, 15, 15, 7. So what is this? 8, 6, 5, 7. Check. How 8107? See now, Bhumi, I'll explain again. First digit as it is, then add 2, 1, make one pair. So 7 and 8 is 15. Now 15 cannot be placed one place. So this will give 1. So that will become 8. Right, before that,
Sir, I count 10.
now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So Dhruv, you didn't answer for this. What happened, beta?
Sir, I was trying to answer with this method, but I was not getting it.
No issues. Try.
Sir, 405.
4, 0, 5. Yes, please tell me.
So my answer is 4257.
4, 2, 5, 7. So let's check once. 3, 11, 15, 7. So 4, 2, 5, 7. So very good. Yes, Dhruv, Shinde, what happened?
Sir, I'm not understanding it.
So you should ask me. This number or any number?
Sir, any number.
First simple number, let's take without carryover. But you remember 2-digit numbers?
Yes, sir.
So don't switch off your mic again and again because it becomes. Now see, let's take first 2-digit number. So it was very clear. 1, adding both, 3, and the last. Correct? Now instead of
Yes,
2,
sir.
we have 3 digits. So what happens? First, as it is, add, again make the pair 3. Now, if I have to make the another pair, I have to leave it, na? So first pair was this. So what is the next pair?
So 2
2
and 3.
So what do we get? 5.
5.
And the last digit as it is every time. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Try one question. 4 to 5. Yes, try, Bhumi.
Sir, 4, 6, 7, 5.
Very good. One last question of this type. 6, 3, 2.
Sir, 4, 6, 7, 5.
Very good. See, now you are able
Sir.
to calculate before the calculator. This is the speed. This is how you will be doing. And slowly and steadily, you'll be more faster. The only thing is you need to practice. If yesterday you would have practiced, today you would have been very fast.
So 6, 9, 5, 2.
6, 9, 5, 2.
Very good. Too good. So now we'll come for the carryover. Now 4, 7, 4. Now see, Dhruv, 4. Now 4 plus 7 is 11. A 2-digit number. 7 plus 4 is again 11 and 4. So what do we do? 5, 2, 1, 4. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do
Yes,
one.
sir.
8, 6, 7.
Sir, 9, 5, 3, 7.
9, 5, 3, 7.
So 9, 5, 3, 7.
You got Dhruv, you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Or still if you have any doubt, you can ask beta.
Now, sir, it's clear.
See again, I'll just repeat first. 8, 14, 13, 7. So 1 when goes here, it becomes 15. So 9, 5, 3, 7. Very good if you are able to do this. 6, 7, 6.
Sir, 7, 4, 3, 6.
Sir, got this.
7, 4, 3, 6. Yes. What's your answer, Dhruv?
Sir, 74361.
Very good. So second last question. 888.
Sir, 9768.
9768.
Now any problems to you? Now see your own speed. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
So what is the largest 3-digit number?
So
9.
999.
So please calculate 999 into 11.
My answer is 10989.
Very good. Yes, what is your
But
answer?
sir, यूनिट में 2 नंबर आ रहे हैं.
कैसे आए दो
Yes,
नंबर?
sir. Sir, there will be 9 and then after that 18. If we add 1 to 9, then it will become 10.
कौन सी यूनिट में बेटा बताओ?
Sir,
9,
first. Yes.
18, 18, 9. So 9, 8, 9, 1, 0. आप ये बोल रहे हो this is 2 digits?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
एक बात बताओ, right hand side पे how you can say this is 1000 position? It is the right hand side. Even if you move here, then also it would be 1 0 only. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhumi, are you clear now? This is on the right
Yes,
hand,
sir.
left hand side. What is difference? 10 हो गया. Now 10 can be written this way. Then also it is 10. Because this is the leftmost position. So not to worry. Always problems come in right hand side positions and mid position. The leftmost position is always open. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, you ask me.
No, sir.
See now. 88. Okay. Let me. 99 was there, right? Into 11. Now this is unit. This is tens. Now it became 9, 8, 1, 0. So this is tens. This is unit. Now what you'll call? This is 100. No. This is 100. This is 1000. But since they are on the leftmost position, nothing will affect. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
So first question is 67. Okay. $37 into 22.
Sir, 814.
Sir, 814.
How did you do? Yes, how you did?
Sir, we're multiplying 22 to
This?
Yes, sir.
So why are we studying? Are we going for a maths class? Which
No.
class is this?
Yes, sir.
So Vedic.
See, just observe. Is it not? Tell
Yes, sir.
me. Is it
Yes, sir.
not 2 into 11?
Yes, sir.
And you know what? How you have to multiply with 11? So 74 into 11. So what was that? 7, 11, 4, 8, 1, 4. Which is faster?
37 into 2 into 11.
But visual ability. See, you should have. I taught you 11, but will I give you 11 in the exam?
No,
I'll
sir.
modify it now. This is what happens in every exam. You don't get the same question, beta. Or will you get the same question?
So modified one.
Yes. Yes, Bhumi. Now is it clear?
Sir, एक बार वापस बता.
Sorry?
Sir, एक बार वापस बता.
I could not hear you.
Sir, एक मिनट वापस वो वाला सम बता. ये वाला.
मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा बेटा.
सर, आपने समझाया वो एक और बार समझाओ ना.
अच्छा, दोबारा करते हैं, एक और कर लेते हैं. 46 into 22. Now what you'll do? See, try to understand, visualize. Now you know that concept of, you know the trick of 11. Correct? I taught
Yes,
you
sir.
trick of 11. So can 11 come from here or here? You have to see. See, this is visual ability. So you see, it is 46 into 2 into 11. 22 can be written as 2 into 11.
No, sir.
22 is 2 into 11 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So first we'll apply this 92, then into 11. So very easy, 9, 11, 2. So 1012. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Bhumi, you, okay, do one more then.
Yes, sir.
56 into 33. So first 3 times 56 and then 11. Do it.
सर ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि हम पहले उसे 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर 11
अभी बताता हूं उसका कारण. पहले 3 into 11 करो, मैं फिर बताता हूं क्यों. Why, I'll tell you now.
So my answer is 649.
So what is 56 into 3? 168
Yes, sir.
into 11. So 1, 7, 14, 8. So 1, 8, 4, 8. Now you ask me a question. You ask me कि is it not possible कि पहले मैं 11 से कर दूं? You can do it, but now see the difference. So 56 into 11 means 5, 11, 6 into 3. So this is 6, 1, 6. Now what happens if you multiply first with 11? Then you will get a big number. Here the number was small to be multiplied by 3. And when you first multiply with 11, then the number will become bigger. So multiplying with then other digit will be difficult for you. And instead of this, if it was 99 then, so first if you multiply here with 9, it is easy. But when a big number comes, then it has become difficult. So 11 is such a number that you can multiply very easily. Right? So we multiply 11 at the last. Otherwise, both are correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubts now? Khushi?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. Bhumi?
सर मेरे को ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि क्या इंटू किससे करना है
56
मतलब जो
नहीं 56 into 22 करना है तो इसमें और इंटू कैसे बताएं 56 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22 करना है अब इसको फास्ट कैसे करेंगे डू वी हैव एनी ट्रिक फॉर 22 नो
नो सर
what we have for 11 so can this number be converted to 11
यस
Yes.
how
11 into 2 is equal to 22.
now is it fine 22 I have written as 2 into 11 so first I multiply these two numbers 1
Okay,
1 2 into 11 now see how simple it is because we know 3-digit multiplication with 11 1 2 3 2 can you calculate this way with your normal maths no so that is why we do like this now clear
यस सर
Yes.
last question you do 67 into 22
Sir, 1474.
So 1474.
good right so now we'll go for the next topic and let me check so welcome back to the magical world of Vedic mathematics now it is magic or not such a fast calculations. Yes, Bhumi.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So this was what we are supposed to learn: writing tables, then fast multiplications. And what was our main objective? Transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. So do you feel some positivity? Do you find that it can be done now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you'll forget the calculators very soon. Then how to apply to the real world situation? You should know. Fourth thing is get empowered with the feeling I can, and that will reduce your math anxiety. What happens whenever you hear a name maths? You just start. There is some anxiety, some excitement also, and some depression also inside you. That is known as anxiety. So this was what we did. I told you why Vedic mathematics, because it reduces your burden. No need to remember any tables now. So it has reduced your burden now.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Right? So reduces scratch work. So no scratch work. We were doing 3-digit multiplication so easily. Silly mistakes gone. Disadvantages I asked you. Now we'll be coming to a very important concept. Now you see, when you go for examination, your teacher asks to attempt the questions first, which you know very well. Why do they say like this? Because they don't want that. They want that with positivity, whatever you will solve, then you will be able to solve more questions. So that means they want that you should not get distracted, or you should not get disturbed by the paper, and you should attempt the best first and then slowly and steadily. Now, one thing more, if you know whatever you are doing, that is correct. Now you did some questions, but if you know that this is correct, then you'll have more confidence or not.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
getting,
sir.
Bhumi? If you know
Yes,
that
sir.
whatever you have attempted, that is correct, or if you get some tool, if you get some verification tool, so that would be better or not? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Kush. Yes, Bhumi.
Better.
So I'll give you that tool. Very easy tool known as Bijank, Namashesh, Digital Root. Okay. Now where you'll apply this? You'll apply to every question. If it is addition, you can apply to addition. If it is subtraction problem, you can apply to subtraction. If it is a multiplication problem, you can apply to multiplication. And most important, have you ever given NTSC or Olympiad exams? Yes, Dhruv.
No, sir.
Any
Sir, but
exam
I
you have
have
given?
given.
Any entrance
Yes, sir.
exam? Any school exams you have given?
Yes, RMS and Sainik School.
Okay. Now there you get MCQs, multiple choice questions. So were you able to do all the questions?
No, sir, some of them I have to do the rough works.
Why? Because your speed was slow. Now in such questions, question is not difficult, but the thing is it takes time. Suppose it is a 4-digit multiplication. You know 4-digit multiplication, but it is not possible to calculate within 1 minute. Because generally you get 1 minute to solve one question. Got my point? So in such
Yes, sir.
cases, you need not to even solve. Just with the help of this concept, this tool, you can check. So I'll give you that beautiful tool, which is not available in our conventional mathematics. It is available only in Vedic mathematics. And that is a reason why people who go for entrance exam or any exam competitive, they always go and learn Vedic mathematics first. Because without Vedic mathematics, you cannot clear any entrance exam. It gives you speed. It gives you so much of speed that you can finish the paper within time, right? So let us start again.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, you're late?
Yes, sir.
Late, beta.
Because sir, my offline tuitions are going on, so sir, I'm late.
Okay. So the concept is known as digital or digit sum or bijank. So if you see in Hindi, bijank means bij ank. Then it is also called as Nama Desh. Got it? Have you written the names?
Sir, writing.
Right first.
Sir, done.
Yes, Bhumi.
Someone. Sudden.
Now what you have to do? See, now with this name, it is very clear. The name itself says it, digit sum. Means sum of the digits. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4 single digit number, then the digit sum is also the same. So for any single digit number, digit sum is same. Now what happens when the number becomes double? If it is 10, so it will be 1 plus 0, again it is 1. For 11, it is
Sir,
1
2.
plus 1, it is 2. For 13 or 14, it is 1 plus 4, it becomes 5.
Yes, sir.
For 19, 1 plus 9 is 10. Again, 10 means, I told you 10 is
1.
again 1. See, whenever, now you have to remember one thing. Digital sum will be always between 1 and 9. If at all it comes 0 some anytime or negative figure, any negative, add 9 to it. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Bhumi.
clear.
Bhumi.
Sir, can you
Yes,
show,
sir.
sir, that negative or 0 you said with the example?
We'll give you after some time. So for what is digit sum of 34, Bhumi? What happened? Why you stay? 3 plus 4.
3 plus 7.
What happened, Bhumi?
What is it?
44.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
46.
Sir, 10. Sir, 1, 1.
Sir, 10.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 1.
Yes, Bhumi. See, I told you if it is 10, again 1 plus 0. So that is 1. See, the number has to be between 1 and 9. I told you 1 to 9 only possible. No 2-digit number, only single digit number. So 46 is 10, it is again 1. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
37,
Yes, sir.
1.
7.
7.
47,
Sir, 11.
Sir,
Sir, 2.
2.
7.
Sir, 2.
how one could,
No, sir, 2, 2.
how to,
Sir.
so much, why so much thinking? Is 4 plus 11, 4 plus 7 is 11. And 11 is further, 1 plus 1 means 2. That's all. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
68,
8 plus 6, 14. So 5.
yes.
Sir, 5.
How 5?
Sir, 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So, sir, 4 plus 1 is equals to 4.
Yes, Bhumi. Yes, Bhumi, tell me.
Yes, Bhumi, tell me.
सर क्योंकि वो 14 है तो 4 को अलग कर देंगे और 1 को अलग कर देंगे तो 4 और 1 5 होते हैं.
97,
So 9. So the answer is 9.
My answer is 7.
yes, Bhumi, what is the answer?
My answer is 7.
Very good. Yes, Shinde, you're wrong. See, 9 plus 7 is 16. So answer is 7. Very good. One zero three. 103.
The 4.
4.
How? 1 plus 0 plus 3. See, don't worry, even if big number is coming, just add the digits. Just add the digits. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 9.
Yes. Dhruv, what happened?
Sir, 0.
ध्रुव समझ नहीं आया? ध्रुव समझ नहीं आया?
सर ने सर मतलब बड़े नंबर से कंफ्यूज हो रहा है सर.
क्यों कंफ्यूज होना? 4 plus 1 plus 4 इसमें क्या कंफ्यूजन है? बोलो बेटा. Add all digits. The name itself says digit sum. Digit sum.
Sir, your voice is repeating.
अमन, आप ऑफ करो.
What, sir?
आप म्यूट कर दो. आपके वहां से माइक वो कर रहा है. Six, 9, 2.
So 8.
Yes, Bhumi.
Eight.
Now, okay, one big number.
So 1.
Yes, Dhruv.
So
7.
answer is 1.
How Bhumi 1? How Dhruv 1?
So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, which is equal to 1.
Very good.
So 10.
Okay. Now see how to apply this. Now let us assume we get a question in exams. We have addition. So let us see how it works in addition. I'm giving you a question of addition. Let's see how. What is the answer? Addition. Please tell me the answer.
So 1171.
Okay. Now see how to apply, how to verify. See, this is a small question. Maybe in exam there are big questions, but even that, how to apply, how to check whether this is correct or not. Now, what is digit sum of 786?
So 3.
Yes, Bhumi.
3.
What is the digit sum of 786?
So 3.
Okay, Dhruv, wait.
So 3.
How?
7.
भूमि नहीं समझ आ रहा तो पूछ लो. Don't answer, don't copy them. See, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So 21 means 3. 385. 8 plus 8 is 16. So means 7.
7.
Now I have addition. So what is 3 plus 7?
So 10.
So 10.
And the final
So 1.
1. Now let us check our answer. Answer is 1171. So 3 plus 7 is again 10. So again my digit sum is 1. Now my question is also giving me digit sum 1. Answer is also giving me digit sum. That means this is correct. This is how you can check your answers. Whether if by chance you would have written here 8, then this will not match. And then you'll know where you did mistake. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find the sum.
So 1073.
Aman? So here, if I check now, want to check what is digit sum of 674?
So 8.
So 8.
What is digit sum of 399?
So 3.
sir. Sir, 3.
Yes, ध्रुव नहीं समझ आ रहा?
सर समझ में आ रहा है.
Why are you not answering? Now 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 means again 2. Clear? What is the answer? 1073. So what is that? 11. That is also again 2. So my question is equal to answer. That means I have done it correctly. Now is it clear?
Sir,
So
I am
this-
not understanding one thing, sir.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे.
Sir, I am not understanding.
So I asked you, you said I am understanding.
Sir, means that concept I am understanding, but sir, you have given a plus sign. So this sum will be different than how answer to.
See, in the exam, if you get this addition question, can you solve? This has nothing to link with Vedic mathematics. ये आपको question आया. Can you solve this?
Yes, sir. So direct
sir.
plus. Sir.
Now, if I ask you to verify it, how will you verify? You'll
Sir,
again
by-
go. So your method is again do the sum in rough work. That is how you verify. Aman, wait for 2 minutes. See, your way of verifying is you again attempt the same question in rough work. Or you have any different method? Yes, Dhruv, tell me.
Sir, rough work, sir.
Speak loudly first thing. Pay attention second thing. And whenever you have problem, you can ask the same moment. Not to worry. So you will again apply, है ना? Now,
Yes, sir.
now think once. If you are doing some mistake, you will be repeating that same. Sometimes what happens, we are thinking 8 plus 7 is 15. And sometimes we do it 14. So every day. Now there is no verification tool. There is no system of verification in our general methods. But here, now digit sum we did. So what I do is I find the digit sum of these numbers. So what is digit sum of this? You know how to find digit sum?
Yes, sir. We have to add all the digits.
So what is the digit sum of 674?
So 8.
What is digit sum of 399?
So 3.
Now, what is the question? Addition. So this is my question, na? So I'll add this to digit sum of first, digit sum of second number.
Yes.
This is addition. So I have to do adding only. So what is the answer? 11. What is final answer? 2. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the digit sum of your answer? Again,
So
11,
2.
that is 2. So this is how we compare the digit sum of quotient is 2 and digit sum of answer is also 2. So that means I have attempted it correctly. Now in case if I would have done a mistake, if I would have written here 8, so here digit sum will have come 3. So I will know that there is something wrong. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This was how you attempt digit sum on addition. Now let's see how you will use digit sum in case of subtraction. You want to write down first. You can write down once. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take a subtraction question. Now, suppose you get a question in subtraction 786 minus 136. So please solve. What is the answer?
Sir, 650.
650.
Zero.
Okay. Now, if I ask you to verify, how will you verify?
So the answer is 2.
Which answer?
Sir, of verifications.
Yes, Bhumi. So we'll use digit sum to verify. So what is digit sum of this?
Sir, 3.
786. What is digit sum?
Sir, 3.
Yes, Bhumi, what happened?
I count.
Sorry?
Sir, I count the number.
Karo jaldi. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So what is digit sum? 3.
3.
And here it is 1. Now what is, now here it is minus sign because subtraction we are doing. So 3 minus 1 is 2.
2.
And here it is 11. So what is that? Also 2. So my question and answer are same. Now, Dhruv, you asked me how it can be negative. Now you see. I changed this question. 166. What is the answer now?
So 4.
The answer is 620.
Yes, sir.
Now, here it is 3. Here it is.
So 4.
So what is 3 minus 4?
So 1.
That is, then what is 4 minus 3? If 4 minus 3 is 1, what is 3 minus 4?
So 3
0.
minus 4 तो हो नहीं.
So 0.
सर 3 में से 4 तो माइनस हो ही नहीं सकता.
वो नेगेटिव आ जाता है बेटा. अभी आपने ये देखा नहीं. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1.
Yes.
नेगेटिव की तरफ चले जाओगे आप. See, sign is always 4 minus 3 means you have to subtract, but you take the sign of bigger number. Here it is positive. Here bigger number is negative. So answer is, ये अभी आप करोगे. So now answer is negative. Now what I do, I add 9. So 9 minus 1 becomes 8. And if you see here also I get 8. What happened, Bhumi? आंख में क्या लग गया? तो रोना आ रहा है? Any doubt now, Dhruv?
No, sir.
No, sir,
Okay.
it's clear.
Now let's do multiplication. Third, multiplication में कैसे check करेंगे? Okay. Take for example 141 into 11. What is the answer?
Sir, 1551.
Yes, Bhumi.
So 1,
Aman.
so 1451.
1551.
Yes, sir.
So now let us check this also. What is 141? 6. What is 11? 2. Now 6 into 2 is 12. So what is my digit sum?
Sir, 3.
And here 12. So that is also. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this way, if you check all your answers, you will never get your questions wrong. All your questions will be correct in maths. This is the way to score 100 out of 100. Okay. Now let's take multiple choice question. Now see, that was what I was trying to explain you. Now in exam, we don't have time. Yes, Dhruv, you might have faced this. 352
Yes,
into
sir.
867, it will take around 4 minutes. But we have 1 minute. So what I'll do? Yes, Dhruv, yes, Bhumi, now tell. I have been given 4 options. So what is the way out? See, I'll find the digit sum of this, find digit sum of this. So what is digit sum of 352?
So 1,
Sir, 1.
What is digit sum of 867?
so 1,
867.
2,
Sir,
2,
3.
2.
8, 6, 14, 14 and 7 are 21. So 3.
Sir, 3.
So 1 into 3 is 3. Now we have been given 4 answers. So let's find instead of finding this answer, let me find, because it is easy to add numbers. So what is 302514? What is the digit sum? Tell me, Bhumi. Digit sum of 302514.
That is 6.
Okay. Digit sum of 305184. The next number. First is 6. Second is 305184. Three zero five one
So
eight.
3. So 3.
Okay. Then 305284. ध्रुव नहीं समझ आया.
So 4.
And 315284.
So 5.
Sir, 3.
Now see, my quotient digit sum was 3. So which is the best? Which matches? Second one. The digit sum
Yes,
of
sir.
which? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Digit sum of second is there. So the best answer is second. You have calculators, you can check 352 into 867. Right now you can check in your calculator also. See, without calculating now, because calculating would have taken time. So what you did, you found digit sum. This is how you have to attempt your questions in Olympiads and or any entrance exam. Then you are able to do it easily, faster. Second thing, it gives you confidence because you know that your answer is correct. Yes, Dhruv, you face this
Yes,
problem
sir.
that time. Panic
Yes,
exam.
sir. I have faced. Yes, sir.
So अगर ये आपको आता होता सिस्टम तो आप कर लेते.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
देखो आता आपको ये भी है 352 into 8 seconds, but that takes 5 minutes और ये जल्दी जल्दी हो जाता है. So you get time to attempt more questions. Yes, Bhumi,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
Right, so digit sum is a very revolutionary point which is to be done with the right. Okay, so now some more fast multiplication I'll teach you. Very fast multiplication you'll learn. So one thing is you need to practice. See, homework yesterday's homework has been given to you. Today's homework I'll give you more now. So you have to do it. You have to repeat it. What is it? What is it? I'll just share you. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a fast multiplication. I'll explain you of 2 digits. I have given you 3 questions. Now tell me what is unique in them. What is something that is hitting you? What is common in this? Or something new in this? Aman, wait.
Sir, they are two digit numbers, so they will take more time.
They'll take.
More time.
I'm asking, is there anything common in them? Is there anything unique in them? Yes, Bhumi.
Yes, sir. जब हम लोग 3 अगर 7 हम कर लेते हैं उसके बाद 3 करना रहता है तो उसके बाद एक और क्रॉस लगाना रहता है फिर सम करना रहता है.
नो. दोबारा सोचो. तीनों नंबर्स में कुछ कॉमन है? Think. नहीं आया समझ?
No, sir.
Now see, टेंस प्लेस पे नंबर इसमें दोनों सेम है. और
तो
यूनिट
तीनों
पे
नंबर में सेम है.
एग्रीड? दोनों सेम है हर जगह, यहाँ दोनों में 2 2 है, यहाँ दोनों में 3 3 है, यहाँ 8 8 है। ये एक पॉइंट है। टेंस डिजिट इज कॉमन। So write down this. Tens digit is common or same. और कुछ है कॉमन? और कुछ अच्छा है?
सर वो ये जो नंबर है उसमें तीन 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 नंबर सेम है।
यहाँ कहाँ है सेम?
सर ये फर्स्ट नंबर को छोड़ के।
फिर वो नहीं हुआ ना, तीनों में बताओ। ओके, आई टेल यू नाउ। सी U1 मतलब फर्स्ट डिजिट का फर्स्ट यूनिट प्लेस और इसको मिला के 6 + 4 क्या बनता है?
10.
3 + 7 क्या होता है?
10.
8 + 2 क्या होता है?
10.
So that means U1 means unit place of first number और unit plus of second number 10 है। करेक्ट? अभी ठीक हो गया?
Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes,
ये दो
sir.
चीजें समझ आ गई?
Yes, sir.
Before attempting the questions, you should see the numbers. You have to make a habit. अगर वो 11 से में लिंक हुआ तो 11 वाला टिक लगा दो। अगर ऐसे दोनों दो चीजें कॉमन हुई, so you have the option. आप मल्टीप्लाई करो, इन्हें टाइम दो। You have 5 minutes, you attempt. But if you want to be fast, then if both these conditions are met, इस आंसर के दो पार्ट्स होंगे। फर्स्ट, जो यूनिट पे है, जो 10 बना रहा है, उसको एज इट इज मल्टीप्लाई करो। 6 × 4 is 24, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है जहां कॉमन है, तो जो कॉमन नंबर को लिखो और उसको एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 1 more. सो 2 के बाद क्या आता है? व्हाट इज 1 more than 2?
So 3.
3.
So what is 2 × 3? 624. आप you can check your answer, multiply in the rough work now. 26 × 24 क्या आंसर आता है?
So 624.
तो आपने कैलकुलेशन करके किया, मैंने फास्ट कर दिया। 3 × 4 12 और इधर 7 × 3 21. So the answer is 1221. check it, चेक करो रफ में। 8 × 9 is 72 और दूसरी साइड 2 × 8 is 16. see my answer, see the answers, check. भूमि बाद में लिख लेना, पहले समझ लो। आपका ध्यान नहीं है समझने में, फिर आप प्रिंट स्क्रीन ले लेना बेटा। समझ आया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Have you checked using normal maths?
Yes, sir.
All are correct. So this increases your speed. Now you write down once, I'll give you more questions. Write down. Got it? Have you written?
sir.
Okay. See one more question. 25 into 25. So now speedily, what is the answer? 2 into 3, 6. 5 into 5, 25. So multiplication question in 1 second. 43 into 47. So 4 into 5 is,
20.
and 7 into 3 is,
20.
any doubt now?
No, sir.
93 into 97. So what is 9 into 10?
So 90.
And 3 into 7?
90.
21.
See how fast
21.
you can do. But this is only possible if that two conditions are met. And what are those conditions? Tens digit are same, and at unit place the sum u1 plus u2 should make up 10. Written?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the answer? Tell me. Without rough work. Bhumi, no rough work required. Verbal answer. What is 7 into 8?
So 5, 6, 2, 4.
Yes, Bhumi.
सर रफ कर रहा तो ये आ रहा ऑर्डर नहीं आ रहा है.
बेटा 7 into 8 के लिए रफ वर्क क्यों चाहिए आपको? 7 into 8 is, what is 7 into 8 बेटा? 7 का टेबल. That's all. And on the other side, 2 into 6. Sorry, 6 into 4.
$24.
So this is your answer. Eight into 9 is 72. 8 into 2 is 16. Finish. How fast you can do? नहीं आया समझ?
सर आ गया.
आज होमवर्क करना, आपको सारा आ जाएगा. ठीक है ध्रुव? यस यू गॉट इट.
Yes, sir.
सर 8 एग्जैक्ट तो 64 होता है.
सॉरी,
सर 8 एग्जैक्ट तो 64 होता है.
तो 64 होगा. फिर आप पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? तभी तो मैंने बोला जो कॉमन पार्ट है उसमें 8 को एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई करना है बेटा,
ओके सर.
एंड दूसरी साइड उन दोनों को करना है.
यस सर.
जहां कॉमन है वहां एक एक्स्ट्रा से करना है. 8 8 जो 64 होगा तो फिर आंसर ऐसे तो नहीं आना चाहिए. अब देखो मैंने लिख के दिया था पहले.
यस सर.
2 into 3. ये देखो,
यस सर.
आपको इसीलिए बोला था ये सेव करो. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल में 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 8 into 9, 1 एक्स्ट्रा. Now any doubt is there?
No, sir.
So let's come back. right? So this is how you can do fast multiplication, right? So you have my page जहां से आप डाउनलोड करेंगे, वहां डेली जब चेक करेंगे कुछ ना कुछ ट्रिक्स आती रहेंगी, and you can do it, right? So remember my name. I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna, internationally certified trainer for Vedic mathematics and also an author for Learn Vedic Mathematics book step by step. So क्लियर कम हुआ थोड़ा भूमि?
Yes, sir.
You feel maths is easy now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, that you should have that confidence. You can save this my Facebook ID, facebook.com/Dr. Yogesh Chandna. You can write down, take down. So this is where I put everyday videos and tricks, concepts. Right? So then we also have, okay.
Sir, done.
Then we also take classes. So for that we can discuss with your parents. If they need classes, we have classes Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or it is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So where we'll be teaching you addition, subtraction, tables, fast multiplication, division, square, cube, fraction. Whatever is there in your syllabus, that would be taught, right? So any other doubt you have now? Any doubts you have in maths? Any other doubt apart from what I taught? Yes, Bhumi?
No, sir.
You don't have any doubt?
No.
How many marks you get in maths? 100?
Yes, sir.
Very good then. Good. Yes, Dhruv, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Okay then, take care. Bye-bye. Your certificates would be sent and I'll share you the homework now. You can do it, right? And submit properly. So yesterday's homework has been given again to you. Right? Chalo. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.